Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you haven't not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that. Be sure to click on that all on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today is another studio vlog. I have a few orders, have some new stuff that has come in. And I'm finally going to put together my little IKEA trolley. So if you're interested in my day, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, I'm doing a few of my orders around. So get my order sheets printed out while we're on that first one. I'm going to take those two completed orders to the post office because one of them is a priority. And then I'll come back and finish my other stuff and then do my unboxing of my, I don't even know what you call that too, to do my intent bracelets and necklaces and keychain. Want to get that out and unbox it and see what it looks like and how it works and see if I can get it to work. So stay tuned for that when I get back from the post office. Just took about 5 minutes to put together. It was really easy. And it came out pretty good. Okay, now guys, I'm gonna open my box for it's the Acme tools. It's my press. And they put in one of their books with all of their tools and stuff in it. So I'll look at that later. My invoice. Put on this so I don't lose that. Alright. And this is the half a ton Arbor press. It weighs 15 pounds, gross weight 18 pounds. So I hope it's already together and I ain't gotta put it together. It's minor. But it's like it weighs way more than 15 pounds. So that is it for the press. So I do have to put it together, looks like. We don't want to lose nothing. Oh, this thing heavy. Like everything is on it. Don't look like you have to put nothing together. I don't think. If it does, it didn't include it. Yeah, the instruction is showing that you put all those screws on there, but when you look at it, they're already there. So I think you just tighten it up. Yeah, because that arm goes on the side like that. So let's look at it and see for sure what it tells you to do. Nothing. So everything is already put together primarily. I think the only thing you need is to stick that through. I don't see what keeps this on here though. There's no, it says this goes in this little hole. But how is that going to keep that on there? I don't know. Maybe it will. Is that upside down? Yeah, probably. And I don't know which side is the flat side. They feel the same. The right side might be a little bit flatter. And this side got the hole in it, so just gonna put that in there and tighten it. I guess that's all you do. Yep, doesn't come off. I'll tighten it pretty good. And I guess based on that, you tighten these little things. Once you decide how far you want this thing to go down. Press it like that. Y'all see that? I'll give y'all an up close view. But it was so heavy I wanted to just do it on the floor. So, be right back so we can get an up close view and see if it actually works. Okay guys, I got it all saved. Done, and I could put it in there. I actually flipped this upside down. This was at the top, so this thing won't go all the way down, but I put it here at the bottom so that I can screw these little things in there, and it worked. But I want to use this thing too. This came with the intent, so I'm just gonna put a piece of Velcro on each side of this, and that way I can Velcro it on here.
because I don't want to super glue it or nothing like that, and then, you know, I can't use it for nothing else. So I'm going to put that on there, and I'm going to cut it to size, and then I'm going to put it on the bottom of that one so that it works how I need it to work. And peel this off. I'm always making something work somehow. That's what I do. I'm a problem solver. So, and I put the little lines on there. See that lines there? It's my marker, so that I can line this up properly, so that when the little thing come down, it's in the right place. And hopefully that works. Oh, I don't want to stick to that good, because that's I don't know what that stuff is. Rubber, some kind of rubber. I don't know if that's going to work with that Velcro. Let's see. So this one I've already stamped on, but I'll turn it on that side. That Velcro might not work on there, but we'll try it. So I just put this on here and pull it down. Yeah, that Velcro's not working. It's not getting enough traction. So I have to figure that out another way. But I can sit it on here, and then I just want that to be in the right place. That's still not where I want it. You can move this little thing in and out. I moved it so that I can have it so the pressure of it will be right when I bring it down. So I keep adjusting it, but I didn't adjust it to this little thing. I just adjusted to the actual machine without this little piece on there. And I actually don't need that piece, but I want it. So it's all the way down now here. So I'm gonna put that back on there. See how this is? Oh, you can't see it. See, this little thing here is what you use to pressurize it and push it down. And like I said, I flip-flop this up because this is here. It was at the top to keep this little thing from going all the way down. Well, I'm not gonna worry about that, but you can pull this in and out and use this little lever to tighten it up so that you can get this however you want it. And I want this to be here, so when it hits the bottom, the pressure, I can just put the pressure down on it from this angle, so that I can do it from a seated position as opposed to or a standing position, and it's in the right angle. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to tighten it back up. I took it off and put it where I wanted it, and now I'm going to tighten it, and hopefully that works. And I put this stamp on here so that I know, because it tells you where it's gonna, if it was in the same place, but it tells you where it's gonna stamp, which is key. And this stops it from moving, this little thing. It would be better if it was on this side, because that's half flat. Oh, but it got that ridge up, so you can't even use that side. Oh well. I don't think you can turn that. But anywho, you just put it on there, and I stand up and push it down. And this needs to probably be bolted to the table or strapped somehow so it don't lift up. And then it's on there. I put an A. As you can see, the A is on there. So, I guess you can see that. I'll take my glasses off. I can see it. I put it on a double, but it's not as strong. Yeah, it looks better with the thing. So I'm not putting enough pressure on it. Let me see when I do it by this little thing. How much pressure I get. Yeah, see, that's the A. It's not in the right position, of course. I just have to figure out where to put it so that it's even or in the right spot or what have you. I'll make some drawings on here or something. Oh yeah, that stamps better at that angle. I moved it, but it's stamped in there. It looks decent. See that A there at the bottom. It's the one I just done. The one at the top is which one I done. The one I done first. So, but when I did it with the hammer, they actually look a little bit deeper in there. So I just gotta practice with this little thing because I'm quite sure it can make it as deep as the hammer can. So that's it for that. Okay guys, that is it for my video today because I need to edit it and get it loaded. So I have my thing working, my press working for my intent stuff. So hopefully I can practice on that and I have them up on my shop by the weekend, and got my stand put together. I'm going to try to get my office finished and getting that organized as well by the weekend, and maybe I'll do an office tour for you guys. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll link everything that I purchased today in the description box below. If you have any questions, please leave them there. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. And yeah, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Click that subscribe button if you haven't. And I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.